Every major civilization in the ancient world left a paper trail. The archaeology, the legal codes, the dynastic records, the prophetic timelines. Most people never see it, not because it's hidden, but because no one has assembled the complete case file. That's what this channel is. Lamp Unto Thy Feet is a forensic investigation into the ancient world, not mythology, not Sunday school. The actual physical evidence, dug out of the ground, translated from the original language, laid against the biblical record. This channel operates on one conviction: the ancient world left a paper trail, and that trail leads somewhere. Some of what you'll find here are complete forensic dossiers. Interconnected series tracing the pre-flood world. The first empire at Babel. Egypt's internal records of Israel's bondage, the Exodus, the conquest of Canaan. Others are standalone case files, ancient technology, engineering, prophecy, the patterns repeating in today's headlines. Different entry points. One investigation. If you've ever been told the Bible can't be verified, this is where that argument ends. Subscribe. Start with the first dossier. The evidence is already open. The truth has a paper trail.